Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my lucky day cowl. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. So starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 for how long you want your cowl. I'm going to make 183 chains for my example cowl. So again, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 for how long you want your cowl. And I made 183 chains for my example cowl. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Into that same chain with that single crochet, make 2 half double crochet. So all together in this chain is a single crochet and 2 half double crochet. Skip 2 chains, and into this next one we're going to be making that same thing, a single crochet and 2 half double crochet into the same chain together. Skip 2 chains, into the next one make a single crochet and 2 half double crochet into the same chain together. Now you're going to start repeating this sequence for the rest of this row. You're going to skip 2 chains and then into the next chain all together make a single crochet and 2 half double crochet. When you get to the end of your row, if you have 4 chains left, skip 2 like we've been doing, make 1 single crochet into the next chain, and then make those 2 half doubles into the last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to be using these 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, we're going to be using our same sequence that we made in our last row. So we're going to make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets into this stitch together. So now we're going to start repeating this sequence. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make a single crochet and 2 half double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make a single crochet and 2 half double crochet all together into that stitch. You're now going to start repeating this sequence of skip 2 stitches, work a single and 2 half double into the next stitch together for the rest of this row. And this is how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how wide you want your cowl. I'm going to continue on making rows, and I will come back when I have the body of my cowl complete. So this is how my cowl is looking. I made 13 rows total for how wide I wanted my cowl. Once you get to the last row that you want to make, leave a long yarn tail so you can sew the ends of your cowl together. You can leave the ends flat like this, or you can twist one of them and then sew them together, and it gives it more of an infinity cowl feel. And that is going to be how to make my Lucky Day cowl. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.